Okay, we're going to start by drawing a parallelogram on this side over here. That's going to come down and down, and then to make it a parallelogram we have to draw another line that's parallel to that. So that's those two are parallel, those two are parallel, and then this is the side of the sofa that we're building. So that's three little parallelograms together. And then we'll take that across. That's the width of the sofa. And we want to copy that. So we're going to do like that. And then we can take that back as well, like that. So that needs to be parallel to this over here. And then, then we can start building up the cushions. That's going to come, that's the thickness of the cushions at the front, and that will come in at the side. And I'm going to draw a little scatter cushion there and a scatter cushion there, so that we can then draw 1 and 2. That's going back there like that. That's going all the way there like that. And then we can draw the back of the sofa like that, coming down there at an angle. And then all we need to do is to draw some little legs in there, and some in there, and you're not going to see any at the back. And this wants to go back like that too. So we've got the sort of cushions at the back, and then maybe a bit of shadow like that. Bit of shadow on the floor, and then let's put the wall in the background. There you go, how to draw a sofa. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy, so you can come back and do more drawing. Bye.